How to log into American Express Personal Saving Account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in American Express Savings Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, the very first one. Open it, American Express Online Savings Account. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on the option of login. Once you're on the login page, from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in the password, then click on the drop down and select the account type. You can select cards and banking. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember me. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on the option of login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into American Express Personal Saving Account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.